Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Ratios and Proportions, 3, Number Quantity, 1C, Percent and Estimation. And we're looking at a word problem here, so I'm just going to pull out the math here. And it is 789 7th grade students. Wow, that's a big school. Okay, about 1/4, and it says about, so we're going to do squiggle, squiggle, percent traveled overseas. So we have about 1/4 of that amount traveling overseas. So they want to know about how much is that? How many students is that? And it says about the number of students. So we want to figure out how many students this would be. All right, and so for us thinking of 1/4%, you're looking at less than 1% here. So if I was to make my number line here, and I have the total being about, I'm going to say this is about 800 kids. It says about. So let's make this 800. It's nice and easy. That'd be 100%. 50% would be 400. And if I had 0% here, that would be 0. But I am looking at less. But 1/4 is far less than 1, and we need to have at least 1% here. And so if I was to estimate 1/4 at 1, so we're going to estimate 789 to be 800, and 1/4 to be approximately 1%, and we're talking about 800 students, so 1% of 800. So we estimated both the percent and the number of kids. And if we do that, we're going to take this and divide by 100. So here's my decimal, move it 1 and twice, so it's 0.01 times 800. And if I do that, I am going to get, I want to do this, 800 times 0.01. So I get 800, and I have 2 decimal places, so it's over here, and about 1/4% would be about 8 students. So we had to estimate up a little bit because you can't have 0% because you have 1/4, so it's a little bit before that, and it's about 8 students, and that's quite reasonable. Thank you.